Hello there. In this Excel basic tutorial, I'll give you a quick introduction to Excel so that you can start feeling comfortable with it. I assume you have already installed Excel in your PC. When you open Excel on your desktop, you'll get this page. On this page, you have the templates, you have the blank table, then you have the rules, project, party planners. Then you have other options. You can just scroll. But for today, we'll be using the blank template. Just click on it. Then it will direct you to this page. On this page, the first thing is to save our workbook. Just click on the file, then click on the save. So we'll be saving our workbook at Edwin data with AD folder, and we'll save our file as Excel intro, then click save. So it's saying already the file exists, but renamed it. So on our workbook we have two sessions. The first session is the ribbons. So the ribbon consists of the tabs. Then the tabs now is divided into groups. Then the groups have as the commands. So commands are just buttons that are used to do actions. So like for instance, you have the paste button, the cut button, and other buttons on the home tab. The other session is the sheet, and on the sheet is a set of rows and columns. So these A, B, C, D are the columns. Then the rows are 1, 2, 3, 4, going downwards. And we have a million rows, and we have around 16,000 columns. So the sheet is composed by cells. These are the cells, and each cell has its name. The name is, for instance, this cell is B3, so B. So you start with the column, then the cell. We can also have a range. So for a range, it starts from this place to. So let's assume this is our range from B3 to 12, H12. So this is our range. So range starts from top left to bottom right. From there, I'll take you through I'll introduce you to the syntax. But before introducing to the syntax, let me take you through how to create a new sheet. So one workbook can have many sheets. Like for instance, now this is sheet 1. You can just click the plus icon to add another sheet, and you can also just right click on the sheet to rename to intro. That's how we rename a sheet. Then the other thing now is the Excel syntax. The Excel syntax one, you can have either the number or a text. So let's do a quick example. So we have the name. We just click a table. So the first name is Edwin, then John, these are marks. So for instance, Edwin scored 20, then John scored 40. So these are the text. These are then we have the numbers, and in the numbers you can have a quick so if you want to do additional, you can just say equals to this cell plus this to give you sum. So this is sum. Then to subtraction is just, you can just do the same, you just change this to this icon to minus, just like that. So that will bring minus 40. To do multiplication, just change this to do division, just change these two. Yes. In the next tutorial, I will show you more complex formulas, and more tutorials are coming by. Stay tuned.